How to develop context and rationale in educational research. But don't forget to click the subscribe button in your screen, or hit thumbs up, or write your comments in the comment box.
Now we will discuss about research in education. Research is defined as a careful, systematic study in a field of knowledge that is undertaken to discover or establish facts or principles. Take note, meron tayong dalawang keywords itong word na careful. Bakit? Dahil we need to have our attentive concern and we have also systematic study dahil kailangan nating sundin ang tinatawag na logical order or steps by step na pamaraan from the very beginning of our study up to the end of our study. Okay? It is also defined as a systematic process of collecting and analyzing quantitative data or qualitative information. Take note in research, the very important one is we can gather or there is a time for gathering information and that information through quantitative and qualitative data or information. So we need to collect and we need to analyze all of them. Why? Just to find an answer to a question or a solution to a problem. Or it could be to validate or test an existing theory. Now, sa paggawa ng ating study or in developing our research paper, sometimes nahihirapan po tayo. It could be how many months thinking all about paano natin ito gawin, what to start and where to start. Kaya mayroon tayong research made easy. Okay? So, in our figure, we have the spiders. Ang ginawa po ng spiders ay gumagawa sila ng webs dahil mayroon silang purpose, mayroon silang goal na makagawa sila ng strong, founded na web. Why? Upang makakatch sila ng insects for them to feed or for them to survive. Okay? Now, that's spiders are nagpapalabas po ng tinatawag na sticky threads coming from their bodies para makagawa sila ng exact na spider or ng web para makakatch sila ng insects. Take note, kailangan nilang magkaroon ng founded or strong na web para pagdating ng malaking insects or mga malalaking insects ay talagang matatrap nila in their webs itong mga insects para makain nila to survive. Now, after making that particular web, na ito na yung mangyari. No, si spider ay nasa gitna, ready to trap the insects or ready na siya na pag may matatrap na insect ay meron na siya makakain. Similarly, through research web, we can also make use or develop a very founded research paper, a very founded research study through the research web. Okay, unang-una. Okay, the first one, we need to identify our problem or identify the concern. Take note, our main focus is educational research. Therefore, our main focus or our concern or problem should be in terms of education. In our new normal education, there are many concerns and there are many problems or challenges that we encounter and will be encountered in the future. And take note, not only challenges from our teachers, our parents, and of course, ang sentro at una sa lahat, challenges and problems experiencing by our learners. From this, we need to develop the degree of that problem or our concern. Bakit kaya kailangan nating pagtuunan ito ng pansin? Ito ba ay kailan ba talaga na i-research or magkaroon tayo ng study for this dahil there is a calling for study? Or severe na ba ito na problema? If it is severe or kailangan ba ng calling of the study? So, kailangan nating ipakilala in this part. Next. Kailangan nating alamin what are the reasons or what are the causes of this problem that is existing in our educational setting. Halimbawa, ang ating mga learners in terms of using module. Ano ba ang dahilan? Unang-una, because of existing of pandemic and there is no face-to-face to be conducted in our educational setting as part of the learning scenario. And take note, ang ating new normal is naiiba sa face-to-face nung unang panahon. And after that one, establishing our reasons or the causes of the existing problem or concern, next is we're going to cite the possible effect or cite the possible result if this particular problem or concern could not be solved. Okay? Then, we need to have the intervention or the action or paano ko kaya ito isosolve. Okay? Or it might be, what is now the vitality of my study to this particular problem? How this study bridge the gap in this educational scenario in the new normal education. From this research web, we can now develop our very nice introduction. Okay? So in our introduction, syempre, we need to establish our context. Then after that, establish our rationale. Okay? So out from these boxes, in every paragraph, it comprises, or every box, it comprises every paragraph in our context and rationale. Okay? Take note, we need to connect each paragraph from the other or to the other. Connecting our present paragraph from the previous is very vital, very important. And connecting our present paragraph to the next paragraph is still necessary. Why? Because they are interconnected. As I have told you a while ago, it's somewhat are making or is somewhat similar to the spider making the web that is very founded in terms of its connection. Okay? Paano natin sila i-connect? We need to apply our knowledge in transitional devices in English, kagaya ng in addition, moreover, nevertheless, in contrast, however, and there are many more transitional devices in English. Okay? So, after making all of that paragraphs, I think I'm just showing to you the minimum part of the context and rationale, but you can also add on different or add on ideas. It could be you can develop deductively, or it could be you can start from international setting, going to our country, going to your specific setting. Okay? And after that, just develop your working research title out of the research web that we have in our as part of our context and rationale. Thank you so much. I hope you will be guided through this discussion. If you have some comments, you have some queries or questions, don't forget to write in our comment box, or you can hit the thumbs up, or if you wish to be updated always in our videos, our discussions, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in your screen. Mabuhay and God bless us all.